you doing? Welcome to another video. I'm going to be camping in my Outsunny ice fishing hut. I'm going to bust out the buddy heater. I'm going to cook some food. It's going to be a fun time. Stick around. Okay, the hard part is done. Roof. Don't worry, we've done this before. Woo. Woo. Wicked. Okay, so how long did that take? Instant hole, not quick. So as you can see, it's a pretty good size. It's supposed to fit between 2 and 4 people. However, I'm really scrawny, so you could probably fit like at least 7 of me in here. It does come with these, which you can stick into the ground. Also comes with some rope. And you can do it on each of the corners to hold it down. And you can see right here, this one is already fashioned to it, but we'll just leave it aside for now. Let's go inside and check this place out. Got some nice zippers. It's pretty spacious in here. I like it. Beautiful. Got my woods cot. It's actually a cot tent. I'm not gonna use the tent part, obviously. Let's get this set up. The sooner I get this set up, the sooner I can get some heat on. Nice. Only thing that's a bummer is that I'm not on the ice right now, because I could totally be fishing right now. Anyways, I don't want to think about that. I want to get some heat on, and get a table in here, and get my lights, and get my bedding. It's going to be a fun time. Nice. If you're ever in the market for portable heat, get the Portable Buddy Mr. Heater. I think this one cost me 160 bucks, but that was also 4 years ago. So 4 years and it's still working very well. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, that heat feels really nice. Awesome. Cozy as can be. Awesome. Well, I got a table. Haha! So if I want to eat, I can just go like that, or I can play cards or something. But I just want it right. There we go. Perfect. Oh yeah! It's gonna be a fun night. Look how soft that is. Got my table. I got my heat. Good thing I put those pegs in, eh? Nah, it's not going anywhere. It would need some heavy wind. Okay, how about we close that door and actually let this heat do its thing? One thing that I just discovered is you got some Velcro here to hold the door open. So that's pretty handy. Propane there, heat there. I probably wouldn't recommend having it this close. However, yeah, I'm just rolling with the punches here. Okay, there's one thing missing from this heater, and that is one of these. It's still a little chilly in here, so I'm just gonna turn this up. Oh, there it goes. Turn it back down. Wow, no joke. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Cheers. Yep, the sun is slowly going down and it is officially snowing. Very comfortable in here, by the way. Ooh, 17 degrees in here. Not bad. 62 Fahrenheit. Yeah, we can crank the heat up. So I got my battery bank and I have it hooked up to a ring light, so hopefully this works. Hello, how are ya? Ooh, that's kind of cool looking. Yeah, I like it. I am a professional now. I don't know, could I get away with this look? Very sophisticated looking. Actually, that doesn't look bad at all. I like it. Okay, everything is running smooth. I got some lighting, although I have some better lighting. Heck yeah. Oh, that's kind of cool looking. Comes with a remote too. I dig it. Batteries not included as always. Get your batteries here. Okay, we got our remote, we got our light. Let's try it out. Oh yeah! Red, green, blue. Dude, I spent like 30 bucks on a light like this on Amazon, and I got this for like $3. Yeah. Boom, 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 boom. Fade. Oh, yeah, that's nice. I dig it. Jump. Oh yeah, this is really cool. Okay, I have some food. Can't see anything because I'm being blinded by disco lights. Thank you. Ooh, watch your fingers. So, my dad made a grill attachment for this. If I can figure out how to use it, we should be in business. Please be patient. That's it. What I'm having is some chicken drumsticks, and I'm just going to use my little cast iron pan. And it's already starting to smell like chicken. Wicked! I don't know why this is so exciting, it just is. I've always wanted to cook on this thing and I haven't had a chance to. The sun is officially down now, and we're also officially getting condensation on the roof and the walls. So we're probably going to be getting dripped on, which is fine by me. See right there, it's all accumulating. Like, especially right here on the window. Ooh, that's hot. Ow, that's hot. Oh, just so you know, I'm only reheating this. This isn't cooked from fresh, so if any of you are freaking out or worrying that I'm poking it, it's already cooked. Don't worry. Chicken drumsticks. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, hallelujah. All I put on it was some Cool Runnings spice. Do yourself a favor and go on the internet and look up Cool Runnings spice. It is so good. I put that on everything.
Yeah, Cool Runnings is Caribbean spice. It just makes everything taste so good. It's not spicy per se. Oh, that's good stuff, man. Okay, that is so good. Well, that was amazing. Alright, everybody. I think I'm off to bed. Oh, I'm super, super comfy. And I think it's time for the world of Heich. See you in the morning. Well, I ran out of propane, so I had to switch to my other tank last night. The inside is pretty wet. I was getting dripped on pretty much all night, so I didn't really sleep. It is what it is. But yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. If you enjoy this content, you know what to do, and as always, stay heavy.